To do a Norwegian purl, hold your yarn in your left hand. It's going to be held to the back behind your working needles. With your right needle, come underneath the yarn and insert your right needle into the stitch to be purled. Bring your right needle back and grab the yarn, pulling it through the loop to purl. You can now take your stitch off of the needle. So again, under, through, grab that yarn, bring it back. You can tell if it's correct if you take a look and your right leg of the stitch is in front and the left leg is in back on your needle, and you'll see a purl bump.